Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install web app on Windows 11 from Chrome. To install any apps from Chrome which you manually installed, use these following steps. I have installed Copilot from Chrome and YouTube. Now I am going to install them. Right click on the start menu and click on installed apps. On the installed apps, you can also search by name. Scroll down to the installed apps section and find the Chrome web app you want to install. Checkmark on the also delete data from Chrome. Confirm that you want to install the app by clicking on the remove button in the confirmation dialog box. The Chrome web app will be installed and removed from your system. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.